5 things to look forward to after the full deployment of the Webb Telescope. NASA artist's conception of the fully deployed James Webb Space Telescope. Illustration. NASA animator Adriana Manrique Gutierrez /handout ASA. The James Webb Space Telescope has finished unfurling its huge primary mirror, ending a series of major deployments that took place over the span of 2 weeks. Today, NASA achieved another engineering milestone decades in the making. While the journey is not complete, I join the Webb team in breathing a little easier and imagining the future breakthroughs bound to inspire the world, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson said in a statement on Saturday. #NASA Webb is fully deployed. Party! With the successful deployment latching of our last mirror wing, that's 50 major deployments, complete. 178 pins, released. 20 plus years of work, realized. Next to #unfold the universe, traveling out to our orbital destination of Lagrange Point 2. pic.twitter.com/mdfmalaisczv. NASA Webb Telescope January 8, 2022. The massive $10 billion telescope was launched on Christmas Day. Since the full-size mirror was too large to fit inside its Ariane 5 launch rocket, scientists designed it in a way that allows its components to fold like rocket origami. Once it reached space, it began the precarious transformer-like unfolding process. Webb's main mirror will collect light from the farthest depths of the universe. In about 2 more weeks, the telescope will reach its final destination in deep space at Lagrange Point 2. A gravitationally stable point a million miles from Earth. Engineering teams at NASA's James Webb Space Telescope Mission Operations Center at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore monitor progress as the observatory's second primary mirror wing rotates into position on January 8, 2022. Photo, Bill Ingalls /handout ASA. But now that JWST has taken its final form, what can we look forward to from the largest and most powerful space science telescope ever deployed? Going back in time, many astronomers who plan to leverage JWST's superior optics describe it as a time machine. ITLL help experts study every phase of cosmic history from the beginning of the universe shortly after the Big Bang, capture images of the first galaxies to form after that event, and illuminate some answers on how stars are born and evolve. Scientists will use at NASA Webb as an incredible time machine to study 6 of the most far-flung and luminous quasars, very bright, distant and active supermassive black holes, along with their host galaxies to unlock the secrets of the early universe. pic.twitter.com/e4nbygurgt. Space Telescope Science Institute June 24, 2021. The hunt for life is on. JWST will be able to search for signs of life-supporting planets in the cosmos. One way to do that is by looking at what exoplanet atmospheres are made of using a technique called spectroscopy. Components aboard Webb will enable astronomers to do just that, teasing out the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, then spreading it out into a rainbow known as a spectrum. A near-infrared photo of the Lagoon Nebula taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, which NASA says is a nice sneak peek at what the James Webb Space Telescope, which is optimized for infrared light, will be able to show us. Photo, Space Telescope Science Institute ASA, ESA, and STSCI. Impressive images. The telescope will begin to collect data and its first images later in 2022. Those are expected to be released in June or July, forever changing the way we see and understand the universe. Moreover, Webb captures infrared light, detecting light that is invisible to us and revealing otherwise hidden regions of space, including distant corners of our universe. Many more years of exploration. Initially, the JWST was projected to be operational for 5 to 10 years, but according to NASA, the telescope will likely have enough propellant to support scientific operations for even longer, to support over 10 years of exploration thanks to a super precise launch. On Friday, NASA Mission Systems engineer Mike Menzel shared that thanks to the accuracy of the telescope's launch and deployment, Webb should have enough propellant, roughly speaking, to operate around 20 years. After that, JWST will likely run out of fuel and slowly drift off course. Lots more JWST-inspired creativity here on Earth. The JWST looks bonkers, with a hulking primary mirror that extends 21 feet wide, made up of 18 smaller hexagonal mirrors. They're made from beryllium coated with gold, optimized for reflecting infrared light. From knitting to baking, the telescope's iconic look has already lent itself to all sorts of crafts and creations. You can check out Webb-inspired handiwork on Instagram or Flickr. We have a full mirror. Some of the segments are apparently pretty far out of alignment, but it's still tasty. Blackberry ginger. Hashtag JWST Hashtag Unfold the Universe pic.twitter.com/5mw3 YMNSH2 Michaela Bagley January 8, 2022 Sign up for the Intelligencer newsletter daily news about the politics, business, and technology shaping our world. Email This site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. Terms privacy notice. By submitting your email, you agree to our terms and privacy notice and to receive email correspondence from us.